Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do the shear lashing. So make sure you stick around to the end, like, subscribe. We'd love for you to be a part of the Journey More community. Let's get started.
Hey now, take a step outside and seize the day now.
The shear lashing starts like most every other lashing, and that is with a clove hitch. So I've got my two posts here. I'm gonna tie my clove hitch around one post, then I'm gonna start the wraps. I'm gonna tie it down about a foot, foot and a half, because I want my wraps to come up towards me, not away from me. It's gonna make it a lot easier when I'm doing those wraps. So I'm gonna come underneath the post with the rope, come up, pull plenty through, come around here, and I'm gonna make an X. From here, I'm gonna bring my rope up through, I'm gonna put it underneath the X, and come up through the other end of the X. And then, I'm just gonna grab both sides here, tighten it up. As you can see there, nice tight clove hitch. Now from here, I'm gonna take my end, because I'm coming out here, and I'm gonna go underneath my other post. So pull my rope through here. I'm gonna wrap around this post. I'm gonna try to keep it as tight as possible as I'm pulling. So I'm gonna wrap around over the top, and then I'm gonna come back down under the bottom of this piece. Now, as you can see here, if I keep my rope out here, I can just go through and then go through the tops here. That's what makes it a lot easier if you're coming towards yourself rather than going away from yourself. So I'm gonna wrap around the top here, again, underneath here, and I'm gonna keep doing this until I have about 3 to 6 wraps. It kind of depends on what I'm going to be using this for. If it's going to be a lot of weight, I'm probably going to do a few more wraps, so I might move up to that 6 number. Or if I've got short rope, then I'm probably only going to do 3 because I want to make sure I frap the middle, and we'll get to that. So this is going to be like a figure 8 motion through the post. So over the top, under the bottom, over the top of this one, under the bottom, over the top of this one. And just repeat that. I've got these nice and tight. I've got 3 good wraps on both sides. So from here, rather than wrapping again, I'm gonna frap. And what frapping is coming around the middle of the lash with the excess rope. So I'm going to come down in between, and I'm going to come underneath the wraps and come back up through the other side here. Pull it nice and tight. And with a shear lashing like this, you really only need 1 or 2 fraps, and then it's good. So I'm gonna finish up with 1 more frap. This is gonna cinch up the rest of the lash, these wraps here. And then what I'm gonna do to finish off, now that I've got 2 good fraps, is I'm gonna come on the top of my other post. So I did my clove hitch down here on this post. I'm gonna finish it with a clove hitch on the opposite post at the top. Pull that through, cinch it up. If you stand these up, what you can do is you can twist these, make an A-frame structure. And what you can do with a structure like this is if you build some more, you put a post down beneath and do some square lashings, and then do some posts to another A-frame structure. You can actually build a shelter out of this. You can build something to put a post between to hang a Dutch oven or something like that over a fire to cook food. So there's a lot of uses for this, And then there's some like building bridges and building towers and things like that, which are really cool, but probably not gonna be doing that as much. But if you watch all these videos of these lashings, you're gonna really figure out how to do things like that. It's gonna be really fun. It's gonna be really cool. And that's something that I would do as a little boy. Go out, make cool things, get dirty, just like I am now. And that's just fun. Make sure you check out our other lashing videos. We actually released multiple at the same time. So check those out, watch those. That way you can know all the different ones, have those skills to have fun, and then also for any type of survival situation where you might need them. Make sure you like the video, give us that thumbs up. We'd love for you to subscribe and be a part of the Journey More community. Come journey more with us, and we'll see you next time.